Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable chat notifications on Instagram for Android devices. If you're tired of missing out on important messages, follow these simple steps to stay informed and connected. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Look for your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page where you can access your settings. Next, tap on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu where you can navigate to different sections of the app. Look for and tap on the Notifications option. Now, select Messages from the list of notification settings. This will allow you to customize your notification preferences for direct messages and group chats. Under the section titled Messages from Individual and Group Chats, you will see an option to toggle the notifications on or off. To enable chat notifications, make sure to select On to stay updated on any new messages that come in. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can ensure that you never miss a message on Instagram again. Stay connected and keep the conversation going with chat notifications enabled. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Happy chatting on Instagram!